Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English language class, and from 1st of Feb we have started with our revision work. And you all know children that I have told you before also that from 15th of February we are going to start with our revision test. So please prepare for your test also and for your final exams also according to it. Okay, so yesterday we have done English literature revision number 2. Now today we are going to do English language revision number 3. Okay, so I hope you all have completed your literature revision number 2 yesterday. Now today we are going to do this revision on the topic of verbs and adverbs. And now children, I hope you all remember what are verbs and adverbs, because very recently we have done this revision work, so it is not necessary for you all to write again and again, but please make sure that you watch all the videos and listen to each and every video very carefully which I am giving you all, and then practice these exercises in your notebooks. Okay, I would like to explain you once again that what are verbs. Okay, verbs क्या होते हैं? So you all know that the verbs are doing words. They tell us about the action done by any person or thing. कोई भी person की या किसी चीज की जो भी कोई action है, उस को जो किया जा रहा है, जो action हो रही है, उस action word को हम verbs कहते हैं. Is that clear? Like sleeping, that means you are sleeping, you are doing something. What are you doing? You are sleeping. आप सो रहे हो, तो सोना क्या है? Sleeping क्या है? Verb. Eating, like when you are eating something. Okay, so what are you doing? You are doing some action. You are eating, you are writing, you are learning. So all these words are verbs. Is that clear to you all children? So I hope the concept of verbs is clear to you all. So continuing with our video, first we will do the exercise based on the topic of verbs. Okay, so our first exercise is part A. Fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the brackets. Okay, now in this what you have to do, there are some sentences with blanks given, and after each sentence there is a word given in the bracket, and that word inside the bracket is a verb. Okay, कोई एक verb है और वो verb को हमें इस sentence में use करना है. Is that clear? So let's get started with this exercise. First sentence, a dog dash, and the word which we have to use is bark. So a dog barks. We will add s here. Okay, from the word written inside the bracket we will add it here, but we will add s also. Okay, a dog barks. Second is Devanshi dash sweetly, and the verb word is sing. So automatically here it will become sings. Devanshi sings sweetly. Sanya always dash the truth. The verb is speak. So when we will use this word speak, here we will add s. So the sentence will become Sanya always speaks the truth. Correct? Coming to the fourth sentence, my father goes to office. The word which you have to use is go as verb. So you will write here goes. My father go to office. We will not write. We will write my father goes to office. Is that clear? Coming to the fifth sentence, we dash in a big house. Live का live ही रहेगा. We lives in a big house नहीं. When we are using we, that means it is a plural word. So we will write the verb in singular form. We live in a big house. Clear? Now coming to the last sentence, that is the sixth part. The moon dash at night, and the word is shine. So the moon shines at night, because here we are talking about a singular thing. When we talk about a singular thing or person, then the verb will be written as plural form. S will be added. And when we are talking about plural form, then we will write the verb in singular form. Is that clear? So I hope this exercise is clear to you all. Once again I am repeating. A dog barks. Devanshi sings sweetly. Sanya always speaks the truth. My father goes to office. We live in a big house. The moon shines at night. So I hope children you all have understood this topic and this exercise. Now moving towards our next topic, that is adverbs. So I will be giving one exercise of adverbs so that you will be clear to that topic also. Is that clear? So moving towards our next topic. Now children, coming to the next topic, that is on adverbs. Now children, what are adverbs? Now adverbs are those words which tell us something more about action words or something more about verbs. Is that clear? जो words हमारे verbs को और अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, उनके बारे में और भी कुछ बताते हैं, उनको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, तो उन वर्ड्स को हम एडवर्ब्स बोलते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? वर्ब के बारे में और अच्छे से जो वर्ड्स को डिस्क्राइब करता है, दोज वर्ड्स आर नोन एज एडवर्ब्स. ओके, these words, these adverbs tell us about how, when, where an action is done. ये वर्ड्स जो होते हैं एडवर्ब्स, ये हमें बताते हैं कि कोई एक्शन कैसे हुआ है, कब हुआ है, कहाँ हुआ है. ये जो वर्ड्स होते हैं हमें ये बताते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? सो एडवर्ब्स बेसिकली आर द वर्ड्स विच टेल अस समथिंग मोर अबाउट वर्ब्स. इज दैट क्लियर? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई से दैट रोहन drinks nicely, Rohan writes nicely. Okay, so I am using writes as a verb and adverb will be nicely. Okay, now Rohan writes nicely means हम उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं कि वो कैसा लिखता है. लिखता है is verb, but वो कैसा लिखता है, that is the word which we are using nicely, that will be your adverb. हम उस verb के बारे में, write के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि कैसा लिखता है, सुंदर लिखता है, nice लिखता है. So that is the correct meaning of adverb. Is that clear children? So should we start with the exercise? Listen to it properly. Second part, B part is fill in the blanks with correct adverbs from the bracket to complete the sentence. Now in this what you have to do, again here I will be giving you sentences with blanks, and in the bracket, in the end of the sentence there is a bracket. In that bracket you will see one word written, and that word will be the adverb, but you have to use ly with each adverb and you have to write it in the blanks. Okay, so the first one, he writes, and the bracket is neat. So how does he write? Neatly. Neatly is neatly. He writes neatly. Writes is verb, and for the verb, for verb we have used the word neatly. We are describing that verb. Okay. Now second is the soldier fought. Brave will become bravely. She did the work. Honest will become honestly. कैसे काम किया? Honestly. We should drive. Careful will become carefully. Okay. And in the last, the dog barks. Loud will become loudly. I hope you all have understood this exercise very clearly. Once again I am repeating. He writes neatly. The soldier fought bravely. She did the work honestly. We should drive carefully. And in the last, the dog barks loudly. So that is all for today children. I hope you all have understood both the two topics, verbs and adverbs, and I hope you all have also understood both the exercises on these topics. So children, I hope you all have understood the topic of verbs and adverbs, and now it's time to say goodbye. So before saying goodbye children, again I want to tell you all just as a reminder that please children, complete all your work on time, and please watch all these revision videos very carefully, because these revision exercises will help you a lot for your exams. So till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.